Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 4 easy hairstyles perfect for fine or thin hair. To start, we're going to do a simple messy bun hairstyle. To start, I'm just spraying some dry texture spray all throughout the length of the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Next, divide the hair in half and starting on the left hand side, I'm going to pop this into a ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, only pull that ponytail halfway through to create a small loop. Then just repeat it on the right hand side, so start creating your ponytail. On the last turn, only pull it halfway through, so you should have 2 loops next to each other. Next, I'm going to add some volume and texture powder to both of those loops. And I'm going to slip a couple of fingers through the right hand loop. Take the whole left hand loop and pull it all the way through the right hand loop so they're changing sides. Keep hold of those loops and twist them in opposite directions just once. And then secure all the way around the outside of that little twisted bun with as many bobby pins as needed. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Then I gently loosen up the hair by pinching and pulling around the crown and sides. And to really transform this bun, we're just going to start pinching and pulling every single loop and twist of this hairstyle. The more you pull it, the messier it will look, and it will also increase in volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got a beautiful mid-height messy updo. To start, I'm going to pop through some texture spray, and this one's really good because it has a heat protectant as well. Then just dividing off the hair into manageable sections, I'm going to use my straighteners to curl each section in opposite directions to give it plenty of movement. This doesn't have to be perfect. This style can also be done on straight hair, but I find if you curl the hair first, it gives you a lot more volume. Once you finish curling, add a few more sprays of that texture spray and divide off the top of the hair from the end of the eyebrows and pop it into a ponytail. Clip this on top of the head for now, and then we're going to divide the rest of the hair in half. So we should have a middle section, and we're going to do a ponytail on that section as well. Clip it out of the way. And then do one final ponytail on that bottom section. Now, starting with that bottom ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half horizontally. And I'm going to take each half and push them towards the elastic band to create a couple of little loops. Then secure over the top with a clear elastic band. Then just spread it out by pinching and pulling those little loops. And we're going to do the same steps on the other 2 ponytails. So move on to the middle ponytail and split it in half. Push those sections towards the elastic band and tie them together. Finally, let down that top ponytail, and I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the hair on the crown for some more texture and volume. Then one more time, we're going to split the ponytail in half, push the halves towards the elastic band and secure them together. Okay, now this is where we can really transform the bun. So take small sections of each of those little buns we've made and start pulling them in opposite directions to create more volume. Then just secure to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And we're going to repeat this on all 3 ponytails. So grab sections opposite each other, pull them in opposite directions and secure with a couple of pins. The messier you can get this style, the better it looks. So don't be afraid to pinch and pull this hair apart. Okay, once you've got everything pinned to the head, we're going to deal with the tail ends. I just pop a bobby pin on the end and slide it underneath the bun. So I'll show you on the side. So pop a bobby pin on the ends, sort of twist it towards the bun to create another loop and pin in place. Do this with all remaining ends. If you prefer it really messy, you can leave these hanging out. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, for hairstyle number 3, we're going to do an elegant low bun. To start, I'm applying some texture and volume powder just at the roots around the crown. I'll pop the items I use in the description below. Next, I'm going to take thin slices of hair, hold them straight up and give them a gentle back combing right near the roots. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. Flip everything back over and use your comb to smooth the very top layer. Then I've added some spray wax to control any flyaways, and I'm just going to gather that crown section of hair at the back of the head and secure it with an elastic band. Then I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. Divide the remaining hair in half and pop each half into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck. I've cut up a bun donut and I'm just going to fold it to make a rectangle shape, and we're just going to pop this in between the 2 ponytails and secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. Make sure that the ponytails stay at the side of that padding. And I'm going to add some more texture powder to both of those ponytails. And starting on the right hand side, I'm going to twist it towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side of the padding. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull for more volume. Then we're simply going to pin this to the padding on the left and the right hand side. And then slide one through the middle of that twist so it doesn't move about. Take the left hand ponytail, again twist it towards the head and bring it over to the right hand side and secure all the way along with a few pins. Then gently pinch and pull at that hair to cover the padding so you can't see it. And here's the finished look of hairstyle number 3. Adding the padding to the hair can really help fill it out if you have thin or fine hair. And then moving on to the 4th and last hairstyle, I've got a beautiful knotted updo. To start, apply some texture spray all throughout the hair. I'll pop the ones I use in the description below. Then I'm going to pop a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, but it really helps when working with fine hair. Next, divide the hair straight across from about the end of the eyebrow height, and we're just going to clip that top section out of the way for later. Divide that bottom section into a left and right half, and we're going to secure the right half into a ponytail about top of ear height. Then repeat on the left hand side. So you should have 2 ponytails next to each other. Release the hair from the top of the head down, and we're going to do the same steps. So divide it in half and then pop each half into a ponytail right above the other ones. Do this on both sides of the head. So you should have 4 ponytails, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Next, gently pinch and pull the hair at the top of the head to create more volume and texture. And I'm going to start on that top right hand ponytail and I'm going to create a simple knot. I do this by wrapping it around my fingers to create a loop and then pulling the ends all the way through. Pull this tight to the head and then secure it with a few bobby pins. Leave the tail ends hanging out. Then repeat on the left hand side. So make your knot. So create your loop and pull the ends through. Pull it tight to the head and position it next to the first one so there's not really a gap, and then secure with some bobby pins. And we're going to repeat the same step on the bottom 2 ponytails. So create your knot by wrapping it around your fingers and pulling the ends through the middle. Make sure you position this close to those knots at the top and secure all the way round with as many bobby pins as needed. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. Then we're going to do the same steps on that last section of hair. So create your knot, pull it tight to the head, pushing it against the others and secure with some pins. Add some volume powder all over that bun. Again, this will be linked in my description. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this bun apart. The more you pinch and pull it, the bigger the bun will get. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.